Hello and Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel where I share with you my passion of cooking and travel. Today I'm very excited. So we are on the second episode of In Search for the Best Biryani in Munich. And today is Sunday also, and I want to share with you a delicious and tasty Sunday. So don't waste time. Let's go and grab the parcel. So guys, I've reached here in this restaurant Ratio, and now I'll grab my mask and bring my parcel and see you. Hi guys, I've just reached home and brought this parcel from the restaurant Rasoi. So it's a Indo-Pakistani restaurant. So I'm super excited. Let's see what we have here. And I'm opening this. So there you are guys. Wow. Let me take out the packet. So there you are. So here guys, see, this is there. Okay, so they have a 10% rabat, they said, so discount on online bestellen. So when you yet online bestellen, if you order in online, so it's 10%. Then bestellen uns homepage, also we 5% selber holen. So if you pick up the food, they give you 10% discount. So this is good. So this is best, and you can QR code also in the app, and that's cool. That's really very good. So I'll open this. What we have here. Okay, they have a raita. I can see this. Wow, they have a little bit of salad, and then they have the biryani here, guys. Let me open this. It's well good packed, so it's nicely packed, so you can carry. So see this. Wow. Let me keep this one on the side. So let me hold this one for you all. So this is the biryani of Restaurant Reserve, and I'll put in the plate and then I'll show you all guys. Go. So guys, I've just come inside because it's too windy outside. So this is the biryani, and this is the bill I want to show you all. This is from Rasoi restaurant. So see the bill, it says 12.50, but the original price is 13.90 in the website. He charged me from the old price. So this is the bill, and maybe after that I already explained you about this discount. Okay, so you see this bill here, and now we have a plate here. I'll going to weigh the biryani. So let's see how much is the biryani. Guys, the weight is around 664 grams. So there you are, 664 grams. And now let's see the essential part of biryani, So we told you earlier, I go for the taste and the flavor of rice and the quality of meat. So let's see how much meat we have here. So that's 1, 2, and this is lamb biryani and it's halal also. By the way, this guy told me it's halal and they don't sell alcohol in the restaurant. So that's, for the Muslim people, is very good. 3, 4. So there are 12 pieces of meat, lamb meat like this. And then you have rice, seems okay, which is also basmati rice. And it's colorful. I think why they put green color in this also. So it's a Pakistani, Indo-Pakistani biryani, and they have some nuts. And if you are allergic to nuts also, then you have to tell them. I think they have nuts and they have raisin also in the biryani. So now we try this. Bismillah. So it's spicy, but it's not spicy like sharp, because people understand spicy means sharp, but no, it is spicy but not sharp. And the flavor is okay. Let's see the meat. So it's tender, the meat is tender. You can see, I can pull it out. So it's tender. It's good. The meat is good. It's cooked nicely. The flavor is good also. And you got some pickles here also. So some pickles, some onions. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked my video. And if you want to know more about this restaurant and anything, please check my Instagram and my Facebook account also. I'll leave the links behind below, and you can check out this also. And we'll see each other for the next week with the next journey for the search of best biryani in Germany. Till then, thank you and enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye.